I'm gonna go around removing those 8mm for the bolt for the splash cover. For the bolts loose, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna come over down here. These look like E-Torx. Alright, so we got our bar down. So I'm gonna point something out. These 3 bolts are the same size. These 4 are not. We have 2 long ones, 2 short ones, so you want to pay attention which one came out of which hole. But we got the bracket and bar removed, so now we have access to our bolt here on the other side. I'm gonna remove this first, pry that down, then this. Then we'll take this bolt out, and the lower control arm should be free to come out. And do it just like that. So we finally got that out, y'all. Had to use some WD-40 and a blowtorch. My little pry bar here. See all that corrosion? That's what makes nuts and bolts difficult to come out. So I'm gonna have to clean this up. There we go. Just maneuver this out. Alright, parts match up. Alright, so we got our bolts in. Now we're just gonna tighten them down and torque them. We got this at ride height. Ride height is kind of like having the car on the ground with the wheel on, but obviously you can't do that with the wheel on. So we got it jacked up to about ride height level so we can properly torque the nuts and bolts. But that is tonight's chicken dinner. If you need some maintenance or repairs done on your vehicle, hit me up, let me know, and I will get you together.